यू टेल मी वन थिंग, ठीक है? ये CTR क्या है बे? CTRL, यस, इज इट लाइक CNG गैस पंप? हैं? नॉट CNG, हाँ, नहीं नहीं नहीं, नो CNG, it is control. CTRL means control. No. हाँ, correct. You control the computer. You press control. You control. Okay. Next doubt. And tell me one more thing. What is shift? Should I shift my computer? ऐसा? No. You don't have to shift the computer. Okay. It is a key, not chabi. Key, something else only. हाँ, तो key it is. So you shift and you change. Okay. हाँ, and next. And tell me one thing. What is backspace? Should I go in the space? Tell her. You came from space, then you will go back to the space. No, na? Exactly. Backspace means cutting. Cut. मतलब if you write chocolate, CHOC, C, double time C. You want to remove one C, you press backspace. It will go back. So CHOC, done. Then you write chocolate. Okay, next doubt. Tell me one more thing. What is enter? I enter the computer. Huh? How will I enter the computer? It's so small. Don't have to enter inside the computer. Enter means from one location to other. While writing, you want to go in the next line, so you press enter, so you go in the next line. Yes. Okay. Next doubt. Acha, now tell me one thing. अरे वाह, Alt Balaji. Alt Balaji? Seriously? नहीं, Alt Disney. Alt Disney, Alt Balaji, there's nothing like that. No, Alt is something else only. I'll teach you later. Yes. Alt, what is Alt? Eh? Even you don't know. What you went school for, huh? इतना सारा fees we gave and did nothing. अगला क्वेश्चन भी पूछिए मेरे को. And tell me one more thing, last. What is caps lock? I lock your cap, ऐसा ताबी डाल के. Give me the keys. Don't have to lock my caps. What? No, not like that. Caps lock means making a small letter big, writing it in big form. Okay? I cap the letter, word. Yeah, alphabet. Keep that alphabet big, not small, not size. Capital alphabet or smaller version. Even words were cap what? Which company? Nike, Puma, Adidas, Patanjali. Okay, beta or papa. हाँ. Next. Okay. ESC. अरे ESC, ah. No. You are in IGCSE. What are you doing with ESC? Huh? Anything else? Insert. Shirt, I wear shirt inside. Insert. Seriously. Insert. मतलब मेरे पेज में मेरे को अगर कुछ डालना है फोटो, तो then I will press insert and the photo will get inserted. Again I'll teach you it. Next. And this print screen. अच्छा. So I take the computer and the printer and then print it. Print this part ना. Print this. ऐसा screen डाल के. Print screen. Not the literal definition printing the screen. Okay. नहीं ऐसे भी नहीं. That means you have to take a screenshot, and that screenshot which you took, that can be printed. Okay. Yes, better. Next. Delete the home. Home is also there. Matlab if I press home, I come home. No, you're not coming home with this pressing. Home means to go in the home of the computer. No, not at his house. No. Start screen. You can come in the start screen with this home. Exactly. Thing also they have written ulta. Dell has to be written correctly. Sida. They have written ulta. What is this? It is their choice. They put the logo anyway. How do you care? How do I care? This computer is only wrong. Giving all wrong information. Alt Balaji when I pressed didn't come. Disney also didn't come. What is these things? I only understand the keypad. Also they have written wrong. It is A B C D E F G. They have started with W X W E R. What is this? Who made this? This is your fault only. Don't do anything to KCT. I'll call your papa. Wait, one more thing. Before calling, I'll ask you one more thing. FN. What is this? Finny and Ferb. FN. Fun. We press that we get fun. नहीं. भाग यहाँ से. Now Bakwasa, you asked us this. What is this third class quality company? Dell. See, they are so unpad. Thing also they have written ulta.